William Shakespeare was a genius. Okay, I'm not telling you anything you didn't know already, right? He's like the grade A, #1 certified literature genius of the English language. When he ran into a verbal corner, he didn't just give up. He literally made up words to get himself out of trouble. 1,700 of them. So this Shakespeare guy, he really knew language. And my favorite joke comes from my favorite play that he wrote, Hamlet. You're like, it's a tragedy, John. A joke? Yepers. So he gives this great monologue to Polonius. Here, let me read some of it for you. This business is well ended. My liege and madam, to expostulate what majesty should be, what duty is, why day is day, night, night, and time is time, were nothing but to waste night, day, and time. Therefore, since brevity is the soul of wit, and tediousness the limbs and outward flourishes, I will be brief. Your son is mad. Mad call I it, for, to define true madness, what is it but to be nothing else but mad? But let that go. Yeah, I just love how Polonius literally wastes night, day, and time by complaining about how to discuss night, day, and time would be a waste of night, day, and time. Shakespeare's greatest joke. You ever meet one of those people who tells you a story for like 6 hours, then ends it with, well, to make a long story short? Yeah, Shakespeare invented that guy too. Seriously, how frustrating is that? When that guy says, to make a long story short, you just want to shout back, too late! Like you're in the movie Clue or something. So don't be Polonius. The best stories are the ones that don't take forever to tell. They don't have 7 gazillion details that really don't need to be there. If I don't need to know the shoe size of Wilbur Wright to get excited about Kitty Hawk, why are you telling me it? If I don't need to know exactly how xylem and phloem work to start loving a Joshua tree, why are you gonna talk about it for 20 minutes? The best stories are the ones that are efficient, interesting, engaging, and pithy. Okay, so long story short, you want to shout too late at me now, don't you? Yeah, I figured.